Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. We're going to explore Movavi Video Editor, a fun and beginner-friendly tool that makes video editing super easy. Even if you've never edited before, with Movavi, you can cut and trim clips, add music and sound effects, use cool transitions, and even include text, stickers, or titles to make your videos more creative. One of the best parts is that it also lets you do slow motion, split screen, and voiceovers, which can be really useful for our P activities, like making highlight reels of your skills, creating workout tutorials, or adding replays to analyze movements. Movavi is available for both Windows and MacBook, and you can try it with the free trial or get the full version for more features. So you can download it on your laptop, or you can also download it on your cell phone. It is we're gonna make a PE fitness skills video. Let's get started. First, open Movavi Video Editor. On the main screen, click Add Files, then choose your PE clips. For example, a short video of jumping jacks, squats, or push-ups. Once you add them, you'll see them appear in the media bin. Now just drag each clip onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where we'll build our video. Sometimes we capture extra seconds before or after the action. Let's clean that up. Select your first clip onto the timeline, move the red marker to where you want the clip to start, and click the scissors icon. Delete the extra part, do the same at the end. This is like practicing a skill in PE. You focus on the best part, the key movement. Now, let's make our video fun. Go to the Transitions tab, drag a transition like fade or zoom between two clips. You can also add filters to make the video brighter or add stickers like stars or emojis. These little touches make your video exciting, just like how we cheer on each other in class. Every great PE video needs energy. Click on Music, choose a track, and drag it onto the audio track in the timeline. Adjust the volume so it's not too loud, then go to Titles. Add a fun opening slide with text like PE Highlight Reel or My Fitness Skills. You can also add smaller text over each clip, like jumping jacks, squats, or push ups. Finally, let's save our project. Click the Export button, choose MP4 for video format, and save it to your computer. Now you have your very own PE highlight video. This is just the beginning. You can use Movavi to create fitness tutorials, exercise challenges, or even fun dance videos. It's a great way to combine creativity with physical activity. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.